What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best flip phones in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you want to save money and still get a good product, we say check out for you the ZTE Cymbal Z320, aka the best affordable flip phone available on the market in 2023. ZTE is a well-known brand in the world of phones, and its Cymbal, the Z320 model, is an unlocked 4G-enabled flip phone. If you're looking for a basic smartphone but don't need a lot of apps, the Cymbal Z320 might be perfect for you. This phone isn't full of features, but it's cheap. It has all the essential options you'd expect from an Android phone. Plus, it has an FM radio, as well as the long standby and call time, which especially appeals to users. The device has a sleek and compact design that'll easily slip into your pocket. This modern flip phone is one of the few models that supports 4G LTE networks. The 3-inch screen is ideal for reading texts and viewing photos. Although the 2-megapixel camera isn't the best, luckily, there's no need to worry about storage space. The Cymbal has 650 megabytes of internal memory and a micro SD card slot. This device is equipped with Bluetooth and FM radio, which is very convenient for listening to music or receiving calls using wireless headphones. As for other advantages the users like the most, that this is one of the few flip phones with FM radio. If we have to single out a shortcoming, it'd be the external screen is a bit small. But considering the price, this shouldn't be a problem. One of the main features is 4G LTE connectivity. As mobile service providers drop support for older technologies such as 2G, modern connectivity is important to ensure you can still use your phone. The ZTE Cymbal Z320 comes in the size of 4.69 by 2.91 by 2.05 inches, while its weight is 7.4 ounces. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. If you're looking for a product that'll deliver the top bang for the buck, we've got the Alcatel Go Flip 5 ready for you and waiting as the best value flip phone available on the market in 2023. The Alcatel Go Flip 5 is a Verizon exclusive flip phone launched in 2019. This device has minimalist features and emphasizes accessibility, making it a good choice for the elderly or anyone with hearing or vision impairment. It has a large touchscreen keyboard, as well as real-time text support, so the phone can deliver messages as you type them. In addition to the 2.8-inch internal display, the Alcatel Go Flip 5 has an external display and 1.44-inch color screen that allows you to view calls and messages without having to open the phone. And while it's a pretty basic flip phone, the Alcatel Go Flip 5 is powered by Verizon's 4G LTE network and supports voice over Wi-Fi. It can even serve as a hotspot for up to 10 devices, which could come in handy if you ever have to work somewhere with limited internet. The Alcatel Go Flip 5 is available in black plastic with a matte finish on the front and a micro-textured back panel. On the front is a small square colored display that shows the time, date, connection status, and basic notification information. The 2-megapixel camera is also centered near the top of the front, so when you flip the front, the camera faces the back for taking photos and videos. On the left side, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB port. Typical email providers like Yahoo, AOL, Outlook, Gmail, Exchange, and others are supported with a browser that also gives you basic web surfing. For those with speech or hearing impairments, the Go Flip 5 offers the highest value of M4T4 rated hearing aid compatibility. In practice, calls sound great on both ends, and the speakerphone was even decent for hands-free calling. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The next product we're going to talk about is the Kyocera DuraXV Extreme, also known as the best mid-range flip phone available on the market in 2023. A key feature that keeps flip phones near and dear to our hearts is their near impenetrable durability. Drops, exposure to extreme temperatures, and resistance to water and dust, and even to bullets, acids, and pressure resistance are some of the tests that the self-proclaimed indestructible mobile phone has successfully passed. Kyocera DuraXV Extreme is a tough one. It is MIL-STD 810G certified, and you can get it exclusively from Verizon. The MIL-STD 810G military standard means that it's passed some of the 29 resistance and durability tests of the United States Department of Defense. Kyocera's phone is VoLTE ready with limited app support. In addition, the 1700 mAh battery offers almost 3 weeks in standby mode. It's drop tested up to 5 feet onto concrete, and is also IP68 certified dustproof and waterproof up to 6.5 feet for up to 30 minutes. The Kyocera DuraXV Extreme comes with a rubberized housing for a secure grip and extra durability. In addition, the Kyocera brand points out that the DuraXV Extreme is easy to use, and it has a customizable menu to configure frequently used applications, and comes with multiple programmable keys that include SOS, push-to-talk, speaker key, call list keys, and 4-way navigation keys. The device has a large font, a tactile keyboard, and a clear display for superior readability, and the headphone jack includes an integrated lock to securely attach accessories to the device. The phone has Push-to-Talk Plus on cellular and Wi-Fi networks, but it isn't a smartphone. Instead, it runs on an open-source version of Android with simple apps like a basic browser, navigation, email, and messaging. However, it has some features that a conventional smartphone lacks. For starters, it has a removable battery. Kyocera claims it'll last more than 18 days in standby mode. It also delivers loud sound, 100 decibels plus from the front speakers, while the two microphones use noise reduction to be heard even in a noisy workplace, such as a construction site. Highly recommended. Up next, we present to you the silver medal and the title of the runner-up best flip phone available on the market in 2023, the Motorola Razr 5G. This model comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G to offer good performance in any scene. The only version available is the one with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal memory, so you'll have enough memory to install your favorite applications. The device is comfortable thanks to the modern design, with a weight that barely exceeds 190 grams. When it comes to taking pictures, you can take good pictures with the main 48-megapixel rear camera. The quality of the 20-megapixel front camera is not bad at all. The Motorola Razr 5G completes its features with a 2800 mAh battery with 15-watt fast charging. The phone has a compact and minimalist pocket-friendly design with a sleek matte finish. This stylish new look has two usage options, one with a 2.7-inch interactive external quick view screen, which lets you quickly see everything from notifications to reading and sending messages, taking photos, making payments, and more, all without having to open your phone. However, when opened, the Motorola Razr is ready to reveal a 6.7-inch FHD Plus P OLED display with a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. Moreover, at the interface level, it'll be possible to have a split screen feature with several open applications, and you can even keep it open at night using the quick view screen as a bedside alarm clock. Motorola has chosen to place the main camera's 50-megapixel ultra-pixel sensor on the outside, which offers 4 times the sensitivity in low light for sharper and more vivid photos. Alongside is a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor for capturing wide, quality 120-degree shots. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall flip phone available on the market in 2023. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, the winner for today. This is a smartphone that strives to position itself on the market as one of the most powerful and easy-to-use models, as it practically reduces 50% of space occupied by a regular mobile phone. The Z Flip 4 comes with a cellular network kit, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a pin to open the chip slot. That is, it does not come with a charger, but allows wireless charging. Like its predecessor, the back of the phone doesn't get dirty as much. Since it does not have a glass finish, this model does not accumulate fingerprints or dust. In addition, the texture of the material is pleasant to the touch, which creates confidence when it comes to holding it in your hands. The main screen is slightly taller than other mobile phone models, as it is a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity Flex display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. On the other hand, the rear screen is a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED, which can be configured to have notifications, calendars, and alarms, among other functions. Likewise, with the use of apps, it can be customized to display videos or images that we like, in addition to having the always-on screen feature. The colors of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 are very pleasing to the eye. In addition, when folded in half, the device is easy to carry, as it not only reduces the size, but it also weighs only 183 grams. It's a mobile phone that goes unnoticed in most pockets. This foldable smartphone has 2 rear cameras, a 12-megapixel main and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, while the internal one, or the selfie cam, is 10 megapixels. The cameras are of good quality, even better than some models from other brands that have the same features. One of the great features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is that you don't need a tripod to use it. The Galaxy Z Flip 4's 90-degree dual-screen feature is something that users especially like. Being the top model, it has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and 8 GB of RAM. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best flip phones in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.